Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jazzy Styles. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today is going to be a little Walmart haul. A few things that I bought from Walmart, like, you know, for the little Christmas time. Some things you can actually, I guess, you know, wear around the house, and if you feel comfortable with wearing it outside, you can do that as well. So I got a total of maybe 6 items or whatever the case is. We're gonna go ahead and pair those together. But if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning back into my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it. And also, just go ahead and watch a few of my other videos that I do have down below. I think you might enjoy some of those. Over here I do a variety of things. I do, you know, get ready with me sometimes. I do, you know, shop with me. I do little entrepreneur videos. I do things as far as me making soap, lip gloss, and bath bombs and things like that. So you might enjoy some of those. But let me stop the rambling. Let's get right into this video. Okay everyone, so here's a few of the pieces that I got here. So I got 3 shirts here, and then I got these little Christmas inspired tights from the snowflakes. This one has like candy canes and Rudolph, Christmas trees, and this here is the little plaid. Now these are some that you can, I guess, wear in or outdoors, all of them. But yeah, so here is the first shirt that I got here. It is a red shirt. It's pretty stretchy. I got it in a size medium. Now this shirt here was $6.94. All of the shirts, the white, the black, and this red one here, as you can see close, the materials is cotton. It's pretty stretchy. It says stretchy and fitted. Here's the white one here as well. It's long sleeve. I got all of them in a size medium. Here is the black one. That's how this one looks as well. They're all long sleeve, and like I said, I believe they were a 6-4. So now we have these tights here. These were $4.44. I got them in a size large, and this is how it looks here. You can see the Christmas trees, the Rudolph, the candy canes, the snowflakes, and things like that. How they look. And I'm going to pair these here with the black shirt. Here are these nice snowflake ones. I really like these. These were $4.44 as well. As you can see, it has the snowflakes, and it has the little red and white snowballs falling on them. I got these in a size large as well. They are pretty stretchy, and I'm going to pair this here with the white shirt. Here I got these plaited pants here. It has this thing that can come around your waist. They are pretty stretchy. I got these in a size large as well. Now these were $7.88, and at the bottom here, as you can see, they are flared. It's flared, so you will see when I try them on. They are pretty stretchy, and I am going to pair this one here with the red shirt. Alright guys, so you can see my face. So as you can see, I was going to pair these plaid pants with the red shirt, but I feel that this white shirt is going to go better. So here is this. This is how the shirt is. The shirt is pretty stretchy, and like I said, I got it in a medium. I got the pants in the large, and this is how it looks. I'm going to show you down towards the bottom. here. And like I said, it's flared here towards the bottom, as you can see. And this is how the whole thing looks. It's like a little high-waisted here. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so here is the next one. This is the one with the snowflakes here, and the red shirt, same as the white shirt, stretchy, got it in a size medium, pants in a size large. This is how the whole outfit looks. The material is pretty stretchy. It's soft and comfortable. Lounge around the house in. And if you're feeling bold, then you can go outside in it. It's not constricting to the legs. It's very fitted. So, I like it. On to the next one. Okay guys, so this is the last one with the black shirt and the one with the Rudolphs and the snowflakes and the candy canes on there, Christmas trees and everything like that. These pants kind of so this is how this look. Once again, shirt is pretty stretchy. The pants are comfortable. Nice little lounge wear around the house. And like I said, if you're feeling pretty bold, then you can go outside in them. But yeah, y'all, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope some of the items is available in your dearest Walmart where you can go and pick them up and, you know, lounge around the house in for the Christmas time. So yeah, all right, you guys.